Welcome to our tutorial on how to reset video subtitles options in YouTube on your PC. Sometimes you may encounter issues with subtitles or closed captions in YouTube, and resetting the settings can help resolve these problems. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to reset video subtitles options in YouTube. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Select the video you want to watch and click on it to start playing. Step 3. In the video player, locate and click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cogwheel. Step 4. From the settings menu, find and click on Subtitles CC to access the subtitle options. Step 5. At the top right corner of the subtitle options, click on Options to open additional settings. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Reset to reset the video subtitles options to their default settings. By following these quick and easy steps, you can reset video subtitles options in YouTube on your PC, resolving any issues you may be experiencing. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.